Hi guys, Thanksgiving is almost here. Follow along and make this turkey goodie bag the kids will love. The supplies you'll need are a brown paper bag, black, white, orange, and red paper, a piece of yarn or twine, scissors, paint, a pencil, and also a glue stick. The first step is to make feathers. Simply make stripes with your paint on the paper bag. The next step is to draw and cut out a beak, a snood, and the eyes. Once all your pieces are cut, glue it to the paper bag. Next, fill your bag with goodies. Now cut into the top of the paper bag to make it look like feathers. The last step is to tie the paper bag. And this is the final product. What a cute and inexpensive way to give out goodies for Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and happy Thanksgiving!